My name is Arron. I've been with Okiko for 11 years and I'm currently acting as the support manager for the team. So my role has changed quite a bit over the years. I started out as a support engineer as part of an internship program, and then once I graduated I moved into a full-time role within support. Then also I moved into the implementation team, which is traveling and training with our customers. So I was actually on site and I would go and visit the customers and so on. I got to travel all around the world, America, most countries of Europe and so on. And I did that for 8 years or so, and then I moved into the support manager role. So a typical day in my role would be every morning we have a stand-up meeting with my team. So I would gather everyone from multiple different locations. We would look at any patterns in tickets, any escalations that are needed. As the day progresses, I would have meetings, interdepartmental meetings with other department heads. I might have to reach out to a number of different customers, any escalations there, but also I have recurrent meetings with a lot of our customer base just to try and gauge how they're doing and make sure everything is okay. We have a follow the sun system within Okiko, which means that as I finish my shift and as my team finish their shift, we would hand over to our team in Vancouver. Working with such a diverse team has been a new challenge for me. I have different age groups, different backgrounds, different skill levels and everything, and that's been really exciting. Aside from the people, obviously I've worked here for 11 years. I've gotten to know a lot of people who have come through, and it's really nice to work with those people. I've made a lot of friends. I think the main factor for me that gets me excited about work is the customer base actually. Having traveled and worked with over 500 different opticians, I've helped them grow their business and I've gotten to know them at a kind of a personal level also. And I think the interesting thing is that the people who work in optics are inherently good and they want to provide patient healthcare, and that's exciting. So one of the elements that I enjoy of the job as well is training incoming staff. I get some time to spend with every incoming staff as part of their induction period. I'll spend a couple of days with them where I'll train them up on product knowledge. So it's not just customers, I also train in-house for our new staff. And I get to try and impart the wisdom that I've learned from working on site, the businesses that I've been to, the understanding an optician's business and a clinician's business, and trying to help our team understand that so that when they go into their role, they're thinking about what the end user is doing and what they're getting out of the software, why it's so useful for them to help grow and run their business. And so I really enjoy that element of working with Okiko.